If you own a Toyota Highlander Hybrid, this recall could leave you stranded. Here's what Toyota's fixing. This is Recall 25TD01. Moisture can get into the high voltage cable and cause corrosion. That can lead to AM radio static, or even a no-start condition. First, disconnect the hybrid service plug located between the rear seats. Remove the cover, slide it over, and pull it up to release. Now, under the vehicle, this is the high voltage cable we're addressing. Remove the 10mm bolts holding it in place. Pop off the old cover, cut the zip ties, and fully remove it. Clean the area and protect the terminals. We want this completely dry before sealing it. First layer insulator tape. This creates the initial barrier. Next is F.I.P.G. This seals out moisture and prevents future corrosion. Now install the updated protective covers. These are redesigned to keep water out. Secure everything with the new zip ties. Add one more layer of F.I.P.G. at the connector face for a complete seal. Reinstall and torque the bolts to spec. Don't guess here. Reconnect the service plug, lock it in place, and you're done. If you have this recall, get it done. It can save you from a no start later. Subscribe for more Toyota Tech breakdowns.